Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the cell, the basic unit of life, functional and biological unit of life. Let's go. In the year 1665, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. The cell is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all non-living organisms. Robert Hooke observed honeycomb-like dead cells in a thin slice of cork and named them cell in the year 1665. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first to describe a living cell in the year 1667. The properties of a living organism depend on those of its individual cells. Cells contain DNA, which is found specifically in the chromosome, and RNA found in the cell nucleus and cytoplasm. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition in organisms of similar species. Energy flow occurs within the cells. So now let's discuss about the cell theory. It is also known as Magna Carta of the cell study. As you can see on this image, there are three people. They are the one who proposed the cell theory. All living beings are made up of cells. Cell is the basic unit of life. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cell is the smallest independent unit of life. So now let's discuss about the shape of the cell. The shape of the cell differ not only in different organisms but also in different organs of the same organism. The shape may be oval, spherical, cuboidal, fiber-like or polygonal. So now let's discuss about the parts of the cell. The parts of the cell are cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, nuclear membrane, chromosomes and the cell organelles. The cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane and it is also known as selectively permeable membrane. So now let's discuss about the cell membrane. It is the outer membrane of the cell that controls the entry and exit of substances according to this requirement of the cell. So now let's know about the cell wall. It provides rigidity and supports and protects the cell. It also gives shape and size to the cell. It surrounds the plasma membrane and it is found in plants, fungi and bacteria. Cytoplasm. The portion of the protoplasm lying inner to the cell membrane is called the cytoplasm. It comprises of gel-like substances that fills the inside of the cell. It contains the hereditary material. Nucleus. It is separated from cytoplasm by nuclear membrane. It directs all cell activities. It contains genetic material called DNA. Nuclear membrane. It surrounds the nucleus and it is made up of two layers and its openings allow material to enter and leave the nucleus. Chromosomes. It is made up of DNA and present in the nucleus. It is responsible for the inheritance of characters, meaning genes, from one generation to other. So now let us know about the plastids. These are small bodies found free in most plant cells. They are not found in fungi, some bacteria, algae and multicellular animals. These double membrane bound structures are semi-autonomous organelles having their own DNA. Based on the types of pigment, they are of three types. They are chromoplasts, leucoplasts and chloroplasts. The function of these plastids are: chromoplast, trap electromagnetic radiations. Leucoplast, store food material. Chloroplast are the centers of photosynthesis. Thank you friends for watching this video. This was the basic information about this cell. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you guys again.